We will fight day and night to protect our human rights.
A celebratory crowd gathered in front of the federal courthouse in Brooklyn, New York, after a federal judge issued an emergency stay that temporarily blocks the U.S. government from sending people out of the country after they have landed at a U.S. airport with valid visas. The ruling by Judge Antonelli of the U.S. District Court came during a hearing called after President Donald Trump issued an executive order blocking people from 7 Muslim-majority countries from entering the United States and putting a temporary halt to refugee admissions, dramatically ending his first week in office.
We're going to have a very, very strict ban, and we're going to have extreme vetting, which we should have had in this country for many years.
The executive order is affecting 7 countries, including Iraq, Iran, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, Syria, and Yemen. There were tearful scenes at various airports as families with backgrounds from the 7 Muslim-majority countries were told they would be denied entry and deported following the immigration order.
Is American and the Iran relation affected already? But we are people, we are not the government. We are not doing nothing. If the government does something wrong with this government, we are not responsible, American and Iranian. What they can do? Why I have to be punished for somebody else's problem?
The reality is that Muslims that have legal permanent resident cards have been detained. Mexicans or any other people that have legal permanent resident might be next. We need to protect our rights. We need to stand up for each other.
I think it's really important to let people know who are being attacked by the Trump administration that we're there for them and people are out there fighting for them. And that America's better than this.
However, following the ruling, the Department of Homeland Security has confirmed to comply with judicial orders not to deport detained travelers.
When do we want it? Now! What do we want?
Iran, on the other hand, say they will take legal, political and reciprocal measures against the United States, but have not specified what the measures would be. The U.S. technology industry, a major employer of foreign workers, say they have reached out to the White House to explain the negative effect the ban has on their co-workers and their companies. President Trump had promised during his campaign what he called extreme vetting of immigrants and refugees to try to prevent terror attacks. Mombi Waroe, Citizen Live at 1.